Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right, so here we have table 12.8. And so what part A asks us to calculate the marginal benefits, the marginal costs and the marginal benefits of reducing the garbage in the city. So there's no marginal cost for the first item or for the second item. And then the marginal cost will be, so this is a 0, so it's the additional cost. So we do 50 minus 0, which equals 50. Then we do 150 minus 50 equals 100. We do 500 minus 150, which equals 350. Then we do 1200 minus 500, which ends up equaling 700. And this is all in thousands of dollars. And we do the same thing over here. So we do 800 minus 0, and we get 800. 1300 minus 800, and we get 500. We do 1850 minus 1300, and that ends up equaling 550. And then we do 2000 minus 1850, which equals 150. So that's part A. We calculated the marginal benefit and the marginal costs of doing this. And so part B asks us to find the optimal solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these two curves on a graph. Here we're going to have, on the x-axis, we'll put quantity of garbage, and we'll put the price, or we'll put a price on this axis. And so now let's graph the marginal cost curve. And so let's put 50. So we'll have 50, 100, hold on, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. That's as high as our graph goes. And so let's graph the marginal cost. So 50, and this is at 16, 12, 8, 4. So 50, 100, 350, 700. And so this will be our marginal cost curve. And we take a look at our marginal benefit curve. We'll see that at 16 it's 800. Then we have 500. And after 500 we go up to 550. And then we go all the way back down to 150. So it ends up looking something like this. Right. And so the socially optimal point is somewhere between 4 and 8, probably closer to closer to having 8 million garbage, and so that's our equilibrium. Next, the last part of the question, part C, asks why not just set it at 0, because that's clearly the greatest benefit and it's still higher than the cost. But the reality is, you can see that the if we go all the way down to 0, we'll find that the marginal cost is greater than the marginal benefit. So what that means is that by going down to 0, it's actually costing us more for every additional ton of garbage that we're getting rid of. So it ends up costing the city more than it helps. And so we stop production here, which is at the marginal cost equals marginal benefit point.